Hello everyone, I'm Oliver, and a warm welcome to day 26 of the 50 Days Software Architecture class. In day 25, we explored event sourcing as a way to store application state as a sequence of events. Today, we're diving into API gateway patterns for managing microservices, traffic, and security. Let's get started.
Let's outline day 26 in greater depth. The API gateway acts as a single entry point for all client requests to a microservices architecture, handling routing, aggregation, authentication, rate limiting, and more. We'll cover core patterns such as backend for frontend, aggregation gateways, and security-focused gateways. Benefits include centralized traffic management, simplified client interactions, and enhanced security. This integrates with Day 23's hexagonal architecture by treating the gateway as an adapter layer, and Day 24's CQRS for separating command and query traffic handling.
Day 26 covers API gateway patterns for managing microservices, traffic, and security.
Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. The API gateway serves as a reverse proxy that sits in front of your microservices cluster, managing all incoming traffic. We'll explore traffic management features like intelligent routing and load balancing. Security capabilities such as authentication, rate limiting, and web application firewall protection will be discussed. This connects to Day 7's microservices by providing a unified entry point and Day 18's monitoring for gateway metrics and logs. Why use API gateway patterns? It provides centralized management for routing, security, and monitoring, reducing duplication across services. It simplifies client interactions by hiding the complexity of multiple microservices behind a single entry point. Enhanced security is achieved by implementing cross-cutting concerns like authentication and rate limiting in one place. For scalability from Day 16, gateways can handle traffic spikes and distribute load intelligently. Covering the basics of API gateway, it acts as a reverse proxy sitting in front of your microservices cluster. Routing intelligently directs incoming requests to the correct backend service based on path, method, or headers. Aggregation combines responses from multiple services into a single response for the client. Transformation can modify requests or responses, such as adding headers or converting formats. Common API gateway patterns. Backend for frontend creates tailored gateways per client type. Aggregation gateway combines responses from multiple microservices into one call. Edge gateway focuses on security and routing at the perimeter. API composition orchestrates multiple service calls behind the scenes for the client.
Traffic management patterns. Load balancing distributes requests across service instances for even load. Circuit breaking prevents cascading failures by stopping calls to unhealthy services. Rate limiting protects backends from abuse and DDoS. Catching from Day 12 reduces load by serving repeated requests from gateway cache. Security patterns in API gateway. Centralize authentication with OAuth and JWT validation. Perform authorization checks for roles and permissions. Handle TLS termination for Day 14 encryption. Deploy Web Application Firewall, WAF, to protect against common web attacks like SQL injection. API gateway benefits. Clients interact with a single endpoint instead of many services. Centralized security enforces consistent policies across the system. Observability is unified with Day 18 monitoring and logging. Scalability is achieved by scaling the gateway layer independently from backend services. API gateway challenges. It can become a single point of failure, mitigate with high availability setups, add slight latency as an extra hop. Configuration management can become complex with many rules. Cloud-specific gateways may cause vendor lock-in. Implementing API gateway. Popular tools include Kong for open-source flexibility, Apigee for enterprise features, or AWS API Gateway for cloud-native. Configure declaratively with YAML or through UI. Extend with plugins for authentication, rate limiting, and more. Integrate with Day 27 service discovery for dynamic backend routing in microservices.
API gateway with microservices. Use path-based or header-based routing to direct requests. Leverage Day 27 service discovery for dynamic backend locations. Aggregate responses from multiple services into one call. Centralize security with Day 13 authentication and authorization. Security and API gateway. Validate OAuth tokens centrally. Apply rate limiting to protect against abuse. Configure WAF rules to block common attacks. Handle TLS termination for day 14. Secure communication. API gateway best practices. Keep the gateway thin with minimal business logic. Delegate to services. Use multiple gateways for different client types, BFF pattern. Monitor traffic with day 18 tools. Support API versioning for backward compatibility. Advanced API gateway patterns. API composition orchestrates multiple backend calls. Backend for frontend creates client-specific gateways. Canary routing enables gradual rollout of new versions. Circuit breaking protects against failing backends. API gateway in cloud native. Use Kubernetes ingress for native gateway functionality. Integrate with service mesh like Istio for advanced gateway features. Leverage managed gateways in day 10 serverless environments. Scale gateway pods automatically for traffic spikes.
API gateway with monitoring. Track metrics like request rate, latency, and error percentages. Centralize logs with day 18 ELK stack. Set alerts on high error rates or latency spikes. Enable distributed tracing for full request visibility. Advanced API gateway best practices. Implement rate limiting with token bucket algorithms. Add caching at the gateway to reduce back-end load. Perform security scanning on API contracts. Use multi-region gateways for global traffic routing and low latency. Common API gateway pitfalls. Gateway bloat from too much business logic in the gateway layer. Single point of failure without high availability setups. Poor routing from misconfigured rules causing incorrect service calls. Security gaps from missing WAF or rate limiting. Covered routing, aggregation, security features, benefits, and pitfalls. The key takeaway: API gateways provide centralized control for traffic management and security in microservices architectures.
Recapping day 26, we explored API gateway patterns for managing microservices, traffic, and security.
Day 26 of the 50 Days Software Architecture class on YouTube, moderated by Anastasia and Irene. Today's focus is on API gateway patterns for managing microservices, traffic, and security, offering a comprehensive exploration of how API gateways act as a single entry point to handle routing, aggregation, authentication, rate limiting, and more for distributed microservices architectures. The session is designed to run 15-20 minutes, approximately 60 words per minute. Total word count 1750 with natural delivery, and expanded explanations for in-depth analysis of gateway patterns, security features, traffic management, and integration with prior hexagonal and CQRS concepts for secure, efficient microservices ecosystems. We've organized it into 20 slides, each with 4 bullet points and extended conversational scripts from both moderators to provide more comprehensive insights and balanced dialogue. To ensure more equal time distribution, Anastasia and Irene alternate leading sections more evenly. Anastasia handles slides 1 to 5 and 11 to 15, intro, basics, and some patterns. Irene leads slides 6 to 10 and 16 to 18, security and advanced applications, and slides 19 to 20 are shared for recap and closing. This builds on Day 25's event sourcing, incorporating Day 23's hexagonal architecture for gateway ports, and aligns with Day 2's solid for designing secure, responsibility-separated gateways. Pauses, transitions, and visuals, including gateway architecture diagrams, will enhance the flow and aid in understanding traffic and security management. Day 27 covers service discovery and registry tools like Consul or Eureka.
For homework, design a basic API gateway setup for a microservices application. Questions from today? Drop them in the comments. Irene and I will respond. Thanks so much for joining us. If this helped, give it a like, share with your network, and subscribe for the full series.
That's day 26 on API gateway patterns. We covered how gateways manage traffic, security, and simplify microservices. If you enjoyed this series, subscribe for more daily lessons and support us on Buy Me a Coffee to keep the content coming. Thanks for watching.